Hi there you all, welcome back to my video. So in today's video we will continue our shadowing practice, and this is section 2 part 1. Without further ado, let's go.
Section 2.
Section 2.
First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15.
First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15.
Now listen carefully
and
answer questions 11 to 15.
answer questions 11 to 15.
Welcome to Manham Port,
Welcome to Manham Port,
where 1,000 years of history are
where 1,000 years of history
brought to life.
are brought to life.
All the family can
All the family can enjoy
enjoy a day out at Manham,
a day out at Manham,
visit our copper mine,
visit our copper mine,
see models of the machinery it
see Muggle at the machinery view,
used, have your photo taken in
have your photo taken
19th century costume,
at 19th century costume,
experience at first hand how people lived
how people live
at different stages throughout history,
in different stages throughout history,
and especially
how
children
our children
studied, worked and played.
studied, worked and played.
The port of Manham
The port of Manham
is located in beautiful and peaceful
is located in beautiful and peaceful
countryside,
on
a bend in the great River Avon,
a bend in the great River Raven,
and developed here
because
it's the highest navigable point of the
it's the highest navigable point.
Avon.
Raven.
Boats can go no higher up this
Boats can go no higher than this
river, and proved a handy place to load and unload cargo
for load and unload cargo
to and from the sea, which is over 23 miles away. A small port was already established here when about 900 years ago tin was discovered nearby, though it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution when a tremendous need for metals of all kinds developed. Manham expanded to become one of the busiest ports in the country. And because it was already so busy, prospectors began to look for other minerals.
the other minerals.
And by the end of the 19th century, lead, copper, manganese and arsenic were added to the cargoes leaving Manham. In the early days, the ores had been smelted or processed. In the same area they were mined. But as demand grew, the smelting process required huge factory furnaces or fires to melt the metal from the rock. And there was not enough coal in the local area, so the rocks containing minerals had to be shipped long distances. Sadly, in the 20th century, the great port of Manham declined. And thousands of workers were forced to emigrate out of the area. The building at the port fell into disrepair. And the place became almost forgotten. But then the Manham Trust was formed to conserve the historical resources of the area. It organized scores of local volunteers to remove undergrowth, to find the original outlines of the installations. It then brought in paid professionals to match installations with maps of the original port complex and to set about reconstructing it. Today, original port complex and to set about reconstructing it. Today, you can see the results of this ambitious program of restoration. The intention, and we believe this will be realized, before the end of the year, is to return Manham Port to the condition it reached at its peak. As the greatest copper port in the country.
Okay, this is the end of section 2 part 1, and we will continue in the next video of part 2, and see you later on. Goodbye.